Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2013 Kia Soul. It has only 12,493 miles, as well as a clean one-owner Carfax, and comes equipped with keyless entry, body side turn signals, privacy glass, and much more. 15-inch steel wheels, all-season tires, clear lens multi-reflector headlamps, a chrome accented grille, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 12,493 miles. The antenna, the rear wiper, large LED taillights, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with bottle holders. The front row adjustable cloth bucket seating, cruise, AC, a power outlet, a large center console, door bins, a tilting telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, and the easy-to-use entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.